Hey, it's Don. Welcome to Don't Worry, I'm Finite. I'm taking a solo bike ride up to the Sugarloaf Mountain today. First, I'm gonna get my city bike. Just put in a unlock code and got it. So the plan was to bike to the trailhead and then hike up. Here's the thing. The top of the mountain itself, it's covered in fog, clouds. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to see much from up there. Plus I have to pay for the tram to get up after I do half the hike. So I think I need a new plan. Also this bike, if you can't hear, pretty sure it's a bad one. So I'm gonna go find a new one right over here. All right, new plan. I'm gonna bike from where I am now, Copacabana, that's where we're staying, down to Ipanema Beach. Should be a nice ride. All right, so here at Ipanema Beach, very busy out there and not a lot of social distancing going on, so I'm not going out there. Back there you can see Dolson Mountain, that's Two Brothers Mountain. That was one of the ones I was looking at. A lot of these hikes surprisingly have a lot of technical elements, so you can't just walk up a trail, and as you can see, it's kind of hazy and cloudy up there anyway, so not a lot I'd be able to see if I went up. One of the nice things about these bikes is you can pull them off. You pay 8 reais a day, which is like $1.50 right now in US dollars, and you can have the bike for the whole day. The only thing is you have to check in at one of the stations every 45 minutes, or else you're charged another like 50 cents. So overall, very cheap for being able to have a pretty decent bike for the whole day. And there's some good sheltered bike trails here along the water, so that's much appreciated. Wish I could get up on that mountain. So the sun is setting. The late day sun is washing over the city of Rio behind me. This is outside of Ipanema Beach. I've had a great day riding the city bike. It's a great option to have while you're here. And I've just enjoyed being out and being active. That's the one thing that's been kind of missing for me. Besides walking around, I haven't done a lot of activity. I went for a run once. We didn't really do any hiking at all. There weren't really anywhere to go. There wasn't really anywhere to go. So I'm enjoying this beautiful view and having a day outside, getting my legs moving and just being active and sweating a little bit. So that's the one thing that I've been missing while I'm here. Went from 3 months hiking almost every day to not hiking or running or moving that much at all. And that really takes a toll on me. I know that that can kind of trigger some depression and bad things in me. So I'm happy to be back out again. I'm looking forward to doing a lot more of that, hiking, running, any kind of bike thing, especially if there's one of these city bike options available. I want to get this and do it as much as possible, because it seems like a really easy way to get around. I love getting around cities on bikes. So hoping that the next place I go will have this option. Thanks for listening, and thanks for watching and subscribing as always. I'll see you in the next one.